Mama,
Wow,
para hindi maputo. Para hindi maputo.
Sasama natin yung ulo na.
Oh, sige. Look, guys. Wow. Let's eat. Beautiful eyes. Oh my goodness.
Tapos may nanak sa garlic.
Ayan na, guys. Papalaman na ni Momshie Rose ng lemon, onions with garlic powder, ginger, and salt. Right, Mama?
Yes.
Big fish.
Big fish in Miami.
Big whole salmon.
Big whole salmon. Yum, yum. Big,
We're
big
gonna grill
salmon.
it. Hello mga kay! Welcome back to our channel. Guys, for today's mukbang, we have whole salmon, beef ribs, at hot dog, and crawfish. Basically guys, meron tayong boodle fight.
Yes.
And we have, yes, and we have cake. Guys, for today, we're celebrating our 10K subscribers.
Yay.
Hi! Thank you everyone sa mga subscribers
Yes po.
and silent viewers.
To all my co-workers, thank you so much for supporting our mukbang.
For our family, and our friends, right, Mama?
And also forget my brothers.
Oh yes,
Yes.
brothers and sisters. Thank you po.
I know I have brothers and sisters.
Yes, okay.
Yes, pero bago ang lahat, pray muna.
Baba, let's pray.
Salamat po, Ama, sa biyang pinagkaloob mo sa amin bago po namin tanggapin. Pakibasbasan mo po sa tayo mong pangalan ni Jesus, na kailan namin tagapagligtas.
Amen. And guys,
Mama's right here.
first bite everyone. To everyone that's in the premiere, to our silent viewers and subscriber, let's eat.
What do you have, guys?
I help you.
Yummy, my friend.
The beef ribs.
Yummy is good in the whole.
Yes. Oh, I like this one.
Hot dog. Oh, the sausawan, I forgot. Sarap.
Special shout out sa aking mga to my co-workers in Unit 2 Charlie.
Yeah. Look at the salmon, guys. I forgot the sausawan. You get it?
Also,
Look at the sausawan.
for the salmon.
It's a soy sauce.
Mommy.
Sausawan, Mama. Guys, look at the salmon po. Thank you, everyone. Let's eat.
I like the deals of this. Look, my boy broken.
It's just being covered. So good, Mama. Have you tried the salmon?
Salmon's so good. I try it all.
Our main dish is the salmon.
Mommy, look.
Thank you, Kuya.
I want one of the hot dogs.
Okay.
But it takes so long.
The salmon is really good, guys.
You're my favorite one.
Have some salmon, baby.
Salmon?
The one is my favorite one, Mommy. Because the one looks like a bone.
There you go. Ay, naku na.
Oh, that's your favorite, Mama.
Yes, look.
Watch out for the
Yummy.
ano ba pa? Ano? Tinik. Ayan. Oh,
For you
hot.
guys that like salmon, hilaria, Laura, me.
Yeah, it tastes good perfectly. Who cooked this?
Thank you, babe, for cooking the fish. You like your mac and cheese, Mamas?
Mommy, look what I'm doing.
Special shout out po pala kay Marie Chris Turalba. Hello po. Dami ano.
Thank you to our family in Bicol, Ate Elsie from the beginning. Thank you for your support. Kristen Faith Japa, thank you sis. Imogen Ibias, Crispy Ibias.
Kay Cheryl Carolio po. Hasmin Valenciano.
Tita Hasmin. Team YouTubers, Abby Calderon, Maribel Castillo, Cochina, thank you mga sisi. Manay Barbie Vlogs, Jen Adventures,
Babaeng maharot.
The Argyle Farm Adventures, Daddy Chris TV, Super
Thank you
Denzel,
po.
hello.
So yummy.
Timothy Bay,
Can you diaper because I'm the
Punas ko
chill?
na si baby.
Timothy Bay, Fernan Constantino, Momshie Liza, thank you Sisi. Momshie Ruby, thank you so much. The Foodie B, thank you mga sisi ko sa support and advice.
Yowa. Roen cook food po.
Mommy, I meant to eat that cake.
Yes, baby, we will.
I'm hungry for that cake.
There's more hot dog, baby. You want more salmon, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I need more already. So good.
Guys, the salmon is really, really good.
Marinated. Mom, put some lemon, some onions in it. What else you
Yes.
put on top, Ma? That was really good.
That's
Garlic powder.
salt, pepper.
No, so
Kuya's favorite. Kuya, try the fish, baby.
Ayoko kuya.
You like the ribs?
Good job kuya. Wow.
Sevilla Fan Blog, Sissy, thank you. Everybody na mention namin, it's been with us since the beginning. Thank you po.
Maripe, Magbrabante.
And special shout out to my family in Paris. Papa, CJ, Nico, JP, Tita Pen, thank you guys sa support lagi. Love you. Look, ayun guys. Mama, para hindi maputo. Para hindi maputo.
Sasama natin yung ulo na.
Oh, sige. Look guys. Wow.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, Baba. Perfect.
Yes.
You really cook it really nice. Thank you guys to everyone that's in the premiere.
Yeah. How long darling you cook?
I cooked it for about 22 minutes.
Wow.
I want this.
Okay, baby.
Do everyone have this?
Meron mo baba?
You want soy sauce? It's hot. Oh, you want fish too, mamas?
Ito po baba.
Fish?
Belly.
This, the bones. Okay?
You like it? Oh, Isa likes the fish. Yeah, so soy sauce. Oh. Look. Oh, she likes the soy sauce. Wow, yummy.
Let me taste it just a little bit.
Sandali lang. Ano kayo palagay mo yung sa ano, garo maano.
Kina, yeah.
Lemon. I didn't make it taste like lemon.
Because baba.
Because
put
I
lemon
like
in it.
lemon.
May chicken din, guys.
No, Mama, that was
More fish, baby?
More.
Wow, Isa likes the fish.
Wakanak na ito lang.
Yeah, ikaw mamas. Oh. Ba?
Those are bones. Mama, these are bones
Yes,
right
baby.
here. Did somebody have more hot dog?
I don't think so, baby.
Mm.
More crawfish.
Guys,
Look
this
at
salmon
mine.
is the best. Thank you, babe.
Look at my car.
Wow.
What? Mommy, look at Can you please break it a piece?
Yes, baby.
Momshie roast and Andrew, guys, cook all of this. The beef ribs still has the beef ribs. Wow. I'm so full.
Don't go now. When are we gonna eat that cake?
Later, baby.
When you
Small bone.
That's why you were quiet.
Be careful.
It was in there.
That one is mine.
This baba, but I'm trying to help you.
Mm.
Here.
Wow, this is the best salmon, guys. Our main course.
Your chicken, baby.
I don't want a chicken.
Oh, mama, see, now he don't like chicken. He wants more crawfish.
Okay, baby, eat the crawfish. We'll eat this one later. Ayan. Thank you, everyone that's in the premiere, to our silent viewers and subscribers. Today, we're celebrating our 10,000 subscribers. Thank you. And to our channel members, thank you po.
Can I please have a wipey so I can wipe? One like this.
Mama, hindi ka napasok sa camera.
Gusto ko kain.
Go.
I want to eat the other side po. The other side.
Hey, baby.
Yes.
Baba, can you get me crawfish, please? The salmon is the best. Good? Kuya, strawberries, good? You still have some.
It's good not the The onions and lemon inside the tummy.
Calderon family, Abby Calderon, Let Calderon, Rachel Calderon. Thank you po.
That one right there.
This one, okay. Look, crawfish.
Good tails.
Yummy, mamas. Thank you guys so much. Sa mga advice mo niyo po. Thank you.
Right.
Special thanks to our viewers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you po.
Oh, I did it! I did twist it and it opened.
Eat the tail, baby.
Will be with milk, you know.
Everything, the fruits are so sweet, guys. Mama, the mango and the strawberry.
Oh, I want to.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you po.
I want strawberry, please. Strawberry.
It's a bit on it.
Where's
Good,
Mama's
mamas, good.
Oh, she wants the mango now?
You want the mango now, baby?
So you go, Kuya.
No, don't do that. Ooh, crawfish. They're so big right now.
My
Thank you, mama. Thank you, baby.
Mama, this is chicken to strawberry.
But we can put back the cake here now. No. The mango is so good, right? Thank you, Mom. You're enjoying yourself there. Pag fish talaga, enjoy ni Momshie Rose. To everyone na nakimiss kay Momshie Rose, ayan. This is ice cream cake, guys. Ice cream cake.
I want to eat cake.
Huh?
It's the wrong way.
The wrong
I
way.
want to eat cake.
Is it? So good, guys. Thank you, babe, for cooking. Oh, the strawberry. The wrong.
Strawberry, Mom.
Okay. Ayan, guys. Strawberry. The mango, more mango na. You want more mango?
Yeah.
Lola, can you pass me a mango, please? Thank you. It's good, Mama. Yummy. Oh, say hi to Grandma. Hello, Grandma Julie, Grandpa Raul. Say hi to Grandma.
Mama.
Hi, Grandpa. Come on, Mamas.
Mama.
Si hi, Lola Piping.
Say hi, Lola Piping. Lola, hope to
hi,
see you
Baby.
soon.
Tito Billy.
Tito, oh yeah, Tito Billy, Kuya. Tito Billy, we
Si
miss
something,
you.
Tito Billy.
Strawberry.
We miss you. Tita Bait. Yummy. Oy. Yeah, mommy, look, thumbs up, thumbs up. Oh, yummy. Beautiful eyes. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Beautiful eyes.
Si Adin babalit.
Beautiful
eyes.
Oh my
Doon sa
goodness.
camera.
Oh, beautiful eyes. Ayan guys, dito muna po nagtatapos ang aming mukbang. We'll eat the cake off cam. And ubos guys, muntik nang maubos yung salmon. Ayan guys. We'll say bye to them, Kuya. Say bye. And thank you
Bye.
everyone for
Say thank
watching.
you.
Bye-bye. Oh, na. Ayan. Thank you, Dada. That was good, guys. You did really good.